Welcome to another video sequel of our comprehensive guide to test automation and a new Nucida session. This basic guide about test automation is divided into several video sessions. We will delve into the world of test automation, covering everything from the basics and importance of automated testing to setting up the test automation environment. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Now, I will explain how to measure the success of your test automation. Measuring the success of test automation is essential to understand its impact and effectiveness within your organization. This section will guide you through the process of defining success metrics, evaluating test coverage, and understanding the return on investment, ROI, of your test automation efforts. So, my first point represents the definition of your success metrics for test automation. Therefore, it is crucial to define relevant metrics that align with your testing goals and objectives. Due to that, consider the following metrics. 1. Test coverage. Measure the percentage of test coverage achieved through automation compared to manual testing. This metric indicates the extent to which your automated tests cover different functionalities and scenarios. 2. Test execution time. Measure the time saved in executing automated tests compared to manual testing. This metric demonstrates the efficiency gained through automation and allows for faster feedback on software quality. 3. Defect detection. Measure the number of defects detected by automated tests compared to manual testing. This metric indicates the effectiveness of your automated tests in identifying software defects. 4. Test maintenance effort. Measure the effort required to maintain and update test scripts. This metric helps assess the maintainability and sustainability of your test automation suite. Of course, there could and should be established more metrics that can be derived from these mentioned basic metrics. Nucida's QA experts can help you find and define the metrics that best fit your needs. Hey, before we go any further, my team just told me that over 60% of you who are watching this channel are new viewers, but you haven't subscribed to it. So, if you find this channel useful, I would ask you to hit the subscribe button. That helps us analyze it, but more importantly, it helps me teach more people and feel like I'm doing the right thing to help you make a living doing what you love. This may be overwhelming for you because you may be new to your business, and you may not be used to software quality, test management, test automation, etc., which seems a little crazy at first glance. I understand you. I feel for you. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. Now I will talk about the test coverage that you should consider. Evaluating test coverage is crucial to ensure that your automated tests adequately cover critical functionality and scenarios. Use the following approaches to assess test coverage. 1. Requirement traceability. Map your automated tests to the corresponding requirements or user stories. This provides visibility into the coverage of different functional areas and ensures that all requirements are addressed through automation. 2. Code coverage analysis. Utilize code coverage tools to measure the percentage of code covered by your automated tests. This helps identify areas of the code that are not adequately tested, allowing you to enhance test coverage in those areas. 3. Risk-based testing. Prioritize test automation efforts based on the level of risk associated with different functionalities or scenarios. Focus on automating tests that cover high-risk areas to ensure comprehensive coverage. My third point is the understanding of the return on investment, ROI, which is crucial for decision-making and justifying the investment in test automation efforts. Consider the following factors when evaluating the ROI. 1. Time and cost savings. Measure the time and cost savings achieved through automation compared to manual testing. Consider factors such as reduced testing effort, faster feedback on software quality, and decreased time to market. 2. Improve testing efficiency. Evaluate the increase in testing efficiency achieved through automation, such as the ability to execute tests in parallel, perform regression testing quickly, and handle larger test suites. 3. Reduce defect leakage. Measure the reduction in defect leakage to production by identifying defects early in the development cycle through automated tests. This reduces the cost and effort associated with fixing defects in later stages. 4. Resource optimization. Assess the optimization of testing resources through automation. determine the impact on resource allocation, such as testers being able to focus on more complex testing activities rather than repetitive manual tests. By defining success metrics, evaluating test coverage, and understanding the ROI of test automation, you can effectively measure and communicate the impact and value of your test automation efforts. This will facilitate informed decision-making and enable continuous improvement in your testing processes. Nucida's QA experts can help you to improve your automated tests by the establishment of these 3 vital success factors for professional test automation. I hope this video helps you understand more about test automation and how you can use it to improve your QA activities. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. I would like to recommend looking the complete test automation video sequence. Happy testing and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives, but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage nucida.com to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.